Hey, this is Mr. Rozsa with another 2-minute fix it because you need an answer and you need it quick. Lee.
2-minute fix it, yeah!
Today's topic is what to do if you erase all of your work that your teacher sent you on your Google Classroom document. This can be very frustrating. You want to do the right thing and get all your work done, but you don't know how to get your work back. As always, I like to start as though we had just signed on. We go to our Google Classroom. Click on your class, go to the classwork section. As always, very important, don't forget to view the assignment. When I view the assignment, I have my resources over here. Pretty cool video, you might want to check that out. We go over to our work, and here we are. We're ready to do our work. It's amazing, with just a couple clicks of your mouse, you can erase every single thing off of here. Now what do I do? If you take a look at the top left-hand part of your screen, there's a little arrow. It says undo. Anytime you make a mistake, you can undo that mistake very quickly. I'm trying to put an answer in here. Uh-oh, I erased my bubble. Now I can't put an answer in. No problem. I hit my undo. Now you can see my box is back. I'm ready to work. Again, even if you erase every single thing on this entire page, you can hit undo. Another thing you might want to take notice to is a little T surrounded by a box at the top here, appropriately named the text box. This is good if, say, I do erase just this box. I would like to set a new text box. Anywhere I click now, I can write. Now, this is not quite as easy as using the undo button, but you can resize this box any way you'd like. And once again, you can type right in here and put your answers. So that's two different ways that you can fix your assignment, even though you made a mistake and erased something. One way brings back any mistake, even if you erased every single thing on your page. And the other one can just bring back a text box. I think these are two excellent tools to help you if you should happen to make a mistake on your Google Classroom document. Thank you very much. And as always, if you have an idea for a good 2-minute fix it, please let me know. I'm happy to make a video.
2-minute fix it, yeah! Because 2 minutes is really fast, unless you're trying to, I don't know, hold your breath.